Hi all, so today we will understand about weight loss. So this is my third video, and if you have missed my previous videos, please follow those before understanding this. So while we are talking about weight loss, there's one more most important part to be understood is the portion control. Like the most important rule in weight loss is eating in moderation. But how do we actually eat in moderation? So most of the times we are confused and we tend to actually weigh the food we eat or measure the calories and or try exercising, over exercising. So let's understand how to portion control. So many times and commonly practiced trend these days is by calculating the food actually you're consuming. So are you sure, like whatever food you're actually weighing, say 200 grams to 300 grams, and you're sitting and taking in your plate and trying to consume it, is it all actually getting absorbed well by your body? Is it absorbed and digested well by your body? Is it all utilized by your body or stored to the most? Are you sure what happens to the food when it actually gets into your system? No, we are not very sure. So I think this practice is like a not very sure practice whether it will work with weight loss. Another thing, people tend to actually calculate the calories. Say for a day you need to consume whatever 1200 to 1500 to 2000 kilocalories, and then you tend to eat those many calories and then try to burn it out or utilize it on the treadmill or in the gym or by certain exercises. So I want to tell one thing, that whatever calories we consume, we are not sure about what happens inside your body. Are those calories really absorbed by your body or utilized by your body? We are very not sure, because every body is different, every constitution is different. So you can try with having a glass of water or a half glass of water before your meals, so you tend to feel not very hungry. Try to have your food slowly and not very fast in a hurry, and make sure you're not directly having food from the container. You can just take it in some other container so that you can control the portion size and avoid further cravings. Always remember one most important rule when it comes to weight loss, that your stomach size is just a fistful. Whatever age you belong or how much ever your weight is, though you're lean, you're on a heavier side, everyone's stomach size is just a fistful. So according to Ayurveda, you need to divide the stomach into 4 parts while you're having your meals. So always imagine that your stomach is fistful and I have to eat 2 parts of my stomach size with food. I have to fill 1 part with water and 1 part I need to keep it empty or free for the air to move, so that that space which is left a little bit for the air to move, it will keep the digestive fire ignited. And always remember, every single ailment begins with a low digestive fire. Rogaha sarve api manda agni, according to Ayurveda. So if you are actually following this basic concept, whatever meal you're eating is definitely being eaten in moderation, because you're eating less. Like you're having some portion of stomach filled with food, then you're keeping some for water and then for air. It means you're not overfeeding yourselves. So make sure आप जब भी खाना खाते हैं, when you feel little full, you need to stop there and then you know that you are not overfeeding yourself. So this is the basic rule. And when you don't overfeed yourself, whatever food we are consuming, maximum food is absorbed by your body, maximum nourishment is gained by whatever food you have consumed, and hence least toxins are created, and most of the nourishment is achieved, and eventually you lose weight. So portion control according to Ayurveda is this, that understanding your stomach size and eating in moderation. In moderation is this according to Ayurveda. Try and follow this on every single day and every time while consuming meal, and see the results.